Hey, hello everybody. This is your backend buddy Pratik Mota. So today we will learn about different web framework available in the Go programming language. So if you are new in Go programming language or you want to learn, then you must be searching like which are the different web frameworks available in the Go programming language. So today I will explain you about all the different frameworks available in the Go programming language, and we will compare based on the star and its contributor. So we'll get better idea like which we can try it out. So let's start. So we will look different Golang web frameworks here. So I have collected the list. So let's see. So these are the popular Golang web frameworks. So those are like first is Gin, then Bigo, Echo, Fiber, Iris, Revel, Martini and Buffalo. And I have collected different Golang web framework stars, forks and contributors. So now if you want to sort and check like which has what stars, ascending to descending or fork or contributor, so we will take a look on that. So here I have added all the list in the Excel sheet and applied the filters. So I have applied the filter from like largest to smallest. Okay, so whatever stars of GitHub stars, these are the GitHub stars. So like 65.4 thousand, like 29 around 1000, 24, 23,000, 7,000. So based on the GitHub star, it is in the K. So first is Gin, second is Bigo, third is Echo, then Fiber, Iris, Revel, seventh is Martini and Buffalo is there. Now if we want to look based on the forks in the GitHub, so which has a larger forks count in the GitHub, so like I will sort here based on the largest to smallest. Okay, so if you do the largest to smallest, then first will come Gin, then Bigo is coming, then Iris, which was fifth in the stars, but here it is Iris, then Echo, then Revel, Fiber, Martini and Buffalo. Okay, now if we want to look based on the contributors, so like how many contributors are there based on the largest to smallest, so I will click here. So yeah, if you see Bigo has a 385 contributor, Gin has a 381, so that is second, then Fiber, Echo, Buffalo, Revel, Martini and Iris. So these are the like mainly popular web framework in the Go programming language. So again I'm doing like from stars, GitHub stars, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are I have collected and analyzed. So you can check this framework and find out like which is more useful for you based on your application or what. So here is one by one I will show you the website. So this is the Gin, gingonic.com. You can check here. This is the logo. Then Bigo is there. It is available in the GitHub Bigo. Then next is Echo is there. So this Echo framework, it has very good documentation. So it is echo.labstack.com. Then Fiber is there, docs.gofiber.io. So you can check this thing. Then Iris is there, irisgo.com. Next is Revel, which has a revel.github.io. Next is Martini, so you can check in the Go Martini on the GitHub. Then is Buffalo, so which has a gobuffalo.io. So now these are the web framework which contain many different features, but if you want only HTTP routing libraries, so I have collected few list of HTTP routing libraries. So first one is Gorilla Mux. Then net HTTP packages, row Go packages are there. Then Kit, which is a microservice toolkit in the Golang. So Kit is there. Then Gochi, Fast HTTP, Resty, Go0. So there are different type of packages and libraries will be available. And even in the Go web framework, I have added few 8 only. But if you look on the website or on the search engine, if you search, then you will get more different Golang web frameworks which are upcoming or rising now. So you can take a look and decide which you want to try. Maybe you can try a few small projects in the different your Go web framework, and you will get better idea like which is proper for you or suitable for your projects. So I hope this video will be useful for you as a Golang developer. And if you like to learn more about Go programming language or backend programming, then please subscribe to my YouTube channels, and I will publish my all the experience and the Golang related new topics on this YouTube channel. So please press on the bell icon so you will get all the latest update. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.